I'm with you.
They have a widow now.
I might need this later.
You got sick of your shit, dude.
My shit.
Big low.
How does widow counter Sombra, Calvin? Oh, they're wasting Briggle.
No, he's sick of my shit.
Oh, he's sick of your shit. Okay.
My ultimate is ready. Let's get in there.
Sniper.
I am ready to activate the sound.
See?
I was standing still.
I'm reloading one more time.
Nice.
Pretty.
Pretty.
Ay, ito yun.
Tayo mo na si Cavs.
Ow! Mercy, goodbye.
Damn.
Yun lang.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun!
Nice.
What the hell?
What the fuck was that?
Nang bubugaw siya.
What the fuck was that? POTG?
Yung ulam daw. Yung ulam.
Para ka nag-ano ng langaw.
Wow.
Dead mo yung iba, dire-diretso lang.
Poor Mercy. Poor Mercy. What? That was the famous POTG gun.
Nakita ito sa stream divine na bumubugaw.
Nanatawa ako, super lame ng POTG, pero cute. What? What? What?
I just got it.
No!
Do you think you'll ever compete in Overwatch League or just keeping on this? I really like being an analyst. But if I got an offer from a top team that could like be a proper playoff team, then I'd really heavily consider it. But I wouldn't join some bottom team that I didn't like, you know. Like the thing is, I'm probably the most fortunate pro player there is because, well, that's not an Overwatch League. Because I can, you know, I can pick from all the teams, you know, like who would I like to play for, and like, you know, all the contenders players. They're like, please get me into Overwatch League. I need team. I need salary to feed family. And I'm like, if I got an offer from Gladiators, that'd be kind of cool. But I wouldn't want to play with some random team that I didn't believe in, you know.
Wait a second!
That's a fat audio glitch right there. What the hell?
You should have canceled it, honestly.
It sounded like it did.
The person, it depends who gave it to you. Was it Daddy Gunrun? His name is literally... Oh shit, dude. Oh fuck! Team? My PC froze. Dude, the lightning struck and then I lost connection. The lightning struck and then I lost connection.
Custom games, just to test out some few things. And I'll say this. A couple bugs in the current patch on LAN that are exclusive to LAN favor us a lot.
Really? Rums is garbage. He just threw my last game.
Additional bugs were added to the patch. And one of them is pretty fucking terrible. I don't think I want to leak it though. Because not a lot of people know. I don't think they know. It's pretty fucking buggy.
This one.
I'm not gonna leak it, dude. It's almost a strat.
Who is Spita again? Is that a line?
It's buggy as fuck.
My VPS account is a line.
Yeah.
Dude, stop doing that shit to me. Yo, anybody knows if anybody Tiny69, welcome 8 months to what's up. Anxiety X, you have to take the interviews and the pictures in LA, and it just makes more sense.
I muted him.
But tomorrow we have our first our first LAN practice at like 10 in the morning, and with the traffic I have to be up at 8. Kind of sucks. But we'll only compete for 3 days: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we're gonna woke up shit. So the stream will go back to its normal schedule after that. But we're probably gonna have some dank IRL content in between, my dude. In between, after the games at night to celebrate, might do some IRL shit. Who knows? I think going out at a bar would be pretty fucking sick, to be honest. I'll probably even snipe Jake and Bake as well, dude. He's not even see it coming, dude. I'm just gonna come in the back, dude, snipe it, and then leave it. And nobody will. Dude, who the fuck was that guy?
With all the money I gave you, why you didn't see Hotel Transylvania this summer? Go see Hotel Transylvania this summer. Go see Hotel Transylvania this summer. Go see Hotel Transylvania this summer. Go see Hotel Transgender this summer. 7777777. Being a streamer must be cool since you can go to so many events.
Mercy's racing in the right room. We're on Zarya. Zarya 1, Zarya 1. Zarya high charge. No one over there. Come on, Mercy is hurt.
Edwin is now.
Doom's about to doom me. Okay, get the rank, get the rank, get the rank. Nice.
Not far, you win. I think you win.
Holy shit, dude. Kill his ass.
I've secured the payload.
Fucking denied, guys.
Dude, do you think I give a fuck? I don't. I do not.
I'm back. We kill everyone. Do you have nano?
Move the game.
Save nano. Save nano. I kill everyone. Ready to nano me? Let's go. I'm to your right. Nano me.
Holy fuck. Where's he? Anti? Hog.
Potential. One.
Mercy raising. Anti someone. In the corner. Oh my god, guys fucking doing Tourette's and shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to
Point.
Fuck you, you dumb bitch!
Let's start. We don't start.
I can't make it to the point.
I'm about to go. Oh my! Oh, they fucking nanoed me through. That's what I've just come to.
Now.
Nice. I love goats. Thanks, dude. That's how I got top 100. Happy.
This is so mad. No. He's throwing the game, dude! He's throwing the fucking game!
Alright, they're down one.
This would have.
Get on the fuse.
Oh! You're getting nutted off!
I can't do it. I can't.
Now.
Nice. I love go.
Dude, kill monkey. Your boy's dead.
No, your boy's fine. I'm dead though. Goodbye.
Oh, the demon's dead.
Yeah. Brig dead? Oh, my team! Hey, I'm dead. Very, very risky situation.
Okay, here's what we do. We use walls to find the widow.
No one can hide.
Now we see.
Okay. Look at this, Blizzard. Look at this. Do you guys see that shit? He walled me off and jumped off the map. Now, why don't you ban him instead of fucking banning me? He walled me off and jumped off the map. Someone clip that shit. Bird Roy boost. Someone clip that.
Now he's just gonna feed
Someone fucking clip that.
Now the
Ready, boys?
please try don't hit your massive balls.
Jump! Cheers, love the cavalry! Redo! Yeah, you did it! Redo! Dude, that was fucking cringe as shit! Yeah, do I get a redo? No redos. Dude, no redos. Sorry, boys. No redos. That was... Holy shit, dude. I don't think I've ever been uncomfortable like that on stream, ever. I have never been this uncomfortable on stream at any given...
Holy crap, how did I not take damage? Did I get shattered? What? I got shattered up there? I even had the mine out and I was ready to...
It's fucking fun, dude. Oh! Davin going for it, dude. Wait, I'm gonna hit her with a fire strike. You ready? Yo! Oh, easy clap, my dude.